If someone suffers from something continuous, and you know how if the time of the prayer ends, then the wudu breaks, does that mean that the ruling that if they catch up with one rakat of a salah, then it doesn't apply to them because as they're reading, the time will end?
What is that thing, if I may ask?
Something like wind or urine incontinence.
Okay, so if a person suffers from urine incontinence or passing of wind, and it is an incontinence, meaning that it never stops, this is one scenario. The second scenario is if a person has this, but it does stop during the day or the night. So it's not 24 hours, 7 days a week. Rather, it is only after urinating or answering the call of nature, he would have these feelings for 10, 15 minutes. In this case, you have to wait and stop until it ceases and stops. But if it doesn't until the time is about to exit, in this case, you are considered as ma'zur, because it's keep on continuing, and it's not logical to ask you to perform 10 times wudu, and every time it breaks, go again, perform it. No. But if it is continuous all day long, and you know that for certain, then from the very beginning, you can perform wudu after cleaning yourself and changing your clothes that were soiled by it, and you pray the whole time. Even if something is omitted, there's no problem. You pray at the beginning of time of Maghrib, something is omitted during the prayer, continue. Then you pray the sunnah without any problem. Then you decide to pray another 10 rak'ah sunnah. There's no problem with that, insha'Allah Azza wa Jalla.